Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to send large audio files on WhatsApp. So first of all, launch WhatsApp app on your mobile device and go to the conversation you wish to. Now once you open the conversation, tap on the plus button at the bottom left. Then over here just tap on the option of document. Now over here tap on the option of choose from files. Now, if you have any audio files saved over here, you can select those specific large audio files you wish to send to your contacts and then send it accordingly. It can be a song or an audio recording as well. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to send large audio files to your contacts on WhatsApp. So as we know that if you tap on the microphone button at the bottom right corner to record an audio, the time limit for the audio recording is only limited on WhatsApp. So you can follow these easy steps to send large audio files to your WhatsApp contacts. And this is it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.